Hey y'all, I'm back for another Big LT video. There's ice on my glasses because it's like freezing. It's like the rain's frozen, but it's not snow. It's like freezing rain, I think. So it's getting everywhere, on my hoodie, on my glasses, on my phone. So yeah, I'm currently going down to the tornado siren. I'm going to be filming the one that I filmed back in June. That one's the infamous siren that's down at the gas station. If you watch every single one of my tornado siren related videos, or at least when they're going off and stuff, you'll always hear me say something about the one down by the gas station. So it's like 8. It's 8. What the? It's 8 o'clock. Oh God! I just realized my timer's off. So yeah, my clock's off. So it's like, so I've seen it as 9:30 instead of 8:30. Well, now I screwed up. All right, I'm back. It's now 9:45. So it's about been an hour since I messed up, and for some reason decided to believe that my clock was right, even though it's an hour ahead of all the other clocks. Yeah. Hopefully the winter weather, snow, ice, hell doesn't cancel this test, because I would be very pissed. I made it. Now the only thing to do now is set up the tripod and wait for a little bit. I find it funny how it's facing the same direction as it was when I first tested this. Well, when I first seen this, I think. I got a little bit of time. Came up here a little early. Had to upset my dog again because she can't go where she can't come over here. Dangerous highway intersection and loud sounds, which she doesn't like loud sounds, so yeah, she wouldn't like it over here. Can I zoom in a little more? Yeah. My God, I thought it was moving at first. I seen it on camera and it looked like it was moving. I was very confused at what the hell was going on. What time is it now? It's like we only have 5 minutes left. still got 5 minutes. It's taking too long. Let's start and get a runny nose. Oh my god, if this test is canceled, I'll be so pissed. Because I came up here in the cold, waiting in the cold, and all that stuff for nothing. Now it just looks so awkward here as well. Kind of already do, but still. All that awkwardness for nothing. Everybody driving by is probably like, who's this kid in a hoodie? I mean, the coat covering his ears and just squatting down in the snow. Like, this dude's weird, you know? It's gonna be loud. What time is it? 9:57. We got about 2 more minutes left, or 3. Yeah, 3 minutes. Gotta do basic math. I need to take a piss really badly. This sucks. $9.58. Man, traffic's barely busy today. That's pretty nice. Barely any cars here. And now, yep, it's 9:59. Get ready. Get ready, people. It's gonna go off, hopefully. Maybe. Come on. Go off. Come on. Go off. Go off. The one's going up over my camera. I got my glasses. That's not much of a loss, but it would be nice to have them.
What time is it now? Oh, 101. Oh crap. I mean 10:01, not 101. Oops. I'm too used to saying 101. 10:01, not 101. You know, I bet they canceled it. I have a feeling they did. This has been going on for 10 minutes. It's not going off yet. Let's see what time it is again. It's 10:03, 10:04 actually. Just turned 10:04. I think it's safe to say that this thing's not going to go off. Maybe. Nah, fam. It's not going to go off, I don't think. It's 10:05 right now. I think we should just call it quits. I don't think this thing's going to go off. Yeah, like I'm a little too scared to get too close to it, just in case if it's late. Maybe, I don't know.
Well, there it is. Not going to go off. I don't think. I can at least find two reasons why they're not doing this. I think the main reason is because the winter weather. I bet that's a reason why. But there could be another reason too. It might be because Raw thinks that the first Wednesday of this month is way too early into the month, so they're going to wait until next Wednesday, which they do that sometimes. Like I said earlier, like if the month starts out on a Wednesday, they won't test the sirens. They'll test it next Wednesday, which is not the first Wednesday of the month. I don't know why they do that. They should just test it on every single first Wednesday. That's what they should do. That's what they should do. Raleigh's BS is the very something. It's just something, you know. The camera. Just since it's zoomed in a lot. It's moving in a lot, so you're not able to see anything other than the road, the trees, and maybe the siren, then the street lights. Well, big up to y'all. You know, sirens might not went off, but at least I got a gigantic Mugs root beer. Barks root beer, only for like $1.39. So yeah, it wasn't that worth it, but yeah, it was something. I have gloves on.